Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book. I am Earth. I am Earth. You live on me. On the inside, I am very hot. On the outside, I'm the perfect temperature for life. I travel around the sun to keep you warm. As I spin, day turns into night and night turns to day. When I tilt away from the sun, it becomes fall and winter. When I tilt toward the sun, it becomes spring and summer. The sun is so big that it holds me and 7 other planets in the space with its gravity. Together, with moons, comets, asteroids, and other space objects, we make a solar system. Just like the sun, I have gravity. My gravity keeps the moon circling around me and holds you to the ground. Gravity keeps things in the air you breathe and the water you drink from drifting into space. Without gravity, things would just float away. When you see me from space, I look blue, green, and brown, and white. The blue is the water that covers me. The green and brown are the land which you live on. And the white is from clouds and snow. Clouds drop water on the land below. When it gets cold, the clouds drop snowflakes, dusting everything white. Rain and snow fill up the lakes and rivers, giving living things water to drink. Even the food you eat is grown in my rich brown soil. I'm very unique, just like you. I have all the right things to keep you healthy and safe, like clean air, water, and food. I'm not too hot and I'm not too cold, and I hold you close so you won't float away, but you have to help me by keeping me healthy and clean. Because if I get sick and the air gets sick and the water gets sick and the ground gets sick, that's not good for anyone. Right now, I'm the only planet you can live on. If we work together, we can make me the best place to live. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!